Let's install Consul. Consul must first be installed on your machine. It's distributed as a binary package for all supported platforms and architectures. This page will not cover how to compile Consul from source, but compiling this from source is covered in the documentation for those who want to be sure they're compiling source they trust into the final binary. To install Consul, find the appropriate package for your system and download it. Consul is packaged as a zip archive. After downloading Consul, unzip the package. Consul runs as a single binary named Consul. Any other files in the package can be safely removed and Consul will still function. The final step is to make sure that Consul binary is available on the path. See the documentation for instructions on setting the path on Linux and Mac, or see this page for instructions on setting the path on Windows. As a short-term solution, you can also run Consul by providing the full path to the binary. After installing Consul, verify the installation worked by opening a new terminal session and checking that Consul is available. By executing Consul, you should see help output similar to this. If you get an error that Consul could not be found, your path environment variable was not set up properly. Please go back and ensure that your path variable contains the directory where Consul was installed.